Traylene Danita here. If you are in love with natural hair, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, this is the place. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that button down there, subscribe, and hit that notifications button so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. All right, guys, I wanted to hop on here really quickly because I'm in love with something and I like sharing all of the deets with you guys. So here I am today. I'm showing you the Eylure eyelash system. If you love eyelashes and you find a difficult time with putting them on, this is clutch for you. This is what you want to get into. All right, so the Eylure Eyelashes consists of an 18-hour eyelash glue that you basically apply to your lid and you put the lash on. It's really easy. It really works for me because my eyes are super sensitive and it takes me just a little longer than I would like to apply eyelashes. So this right here is the resolution to all my problems. If you are like me, get into it. This is not like your traditional eyelash application. You know how normally you will put the glue on the actual eyelash. Not this. You put the actual glue on your eyelid and then you apply the lash that way. Super simple, okay? Watch, learn, you're gonna be hooked. Another thing too, these lashes could be a little extra if you're like an everyday lash wearer. They have other styles, of course. They have like their wispy and other more dramatic ones than this. So yeah, let's get into it. And listen, my face is not super beat. I just wanted to show you guys how to apply these lashes real quick. So I'm about to apply the lash glue. Like I said, my eyes are sensitive, so bear with me. So normally with any lash application, I just stretch my eyes a little bit and I'm just applying the lash glue on my lid. So you just kind of let that sit or whatever a few seconds. And the thing is, it dries really quick. So I'm taking the lash and this is like my lash holder. And then I'm just gonna stick that on there, like so. And the key is to press the actual eyelash base onto where you applied the glue. I'm taking my little eyelash tool and I'm just gently pressing down, making sure it's adhering to the glue. So there it is, it is on. Super easy. It dries so quickly and my lashes are on and I'm ready to go. Listen, this stuff is perfect for when you're in a rush, okay? We know how it is when you're in a rush and you want to put the lashes on. So this system, bomb. So I'm gonna finish the other lash. Boom. Done and done. Super easy. I mean, if my face was like super beat, I'd be like, but I'm not. It's okay though. I wanted to show you this really quickly. But yeah, these are the lashes. I love them. Like, I think because of this, I'll be wearing more lashes. Also, let me know if you guys tried the Eylure system. Have you heard of the Eylure system? I don't know. So there it is. Alright guys, so that is it for now. Wanted to jump on here and do a quick tutorial to show you some new stuff that I'm just into, and I just couldn't wait to show you. So alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and be sure to hit that button down below so you'll be a part of the family, okay? Because I want you to come back and I want you to be a part of the family. Alright guys, that is it for now. And until next time, ciao.